Welcome back to Success with Steven. My name is Steven Smith. On this channel, we discuss all things financial literacy. Just as the auto industry began to recover, the threat of auto tariffs caused another spike in the auto industry. And buying a car right now is a major financial decision that will affect your wallet for years to come. So whether you're after a brand new EV, an SUV, or you just need a reliable vehicle to get from point A to point B, one thing is certain, you want to have the best auto loan possible. Now, sure, you could go into a dealership to get your loan or finance through your bank, but what if I told you there's a smarter way, one that can save you thousands of dollars in interest and give you better terms, and where they actually care about you as a member, not just a number? Well, that's where credit unions come in. In this video, we're going to break down exactly why credit unions offer some of the best car loan options available in 2025, what to look for when comparing them, and most importantly, we're going to reveal the top 5 credit unions in the country right now when it comes to auto loans. And by the end of this video, you'll be able to walk into a dealership or use an online dealer with confidence, knowing that your financing is already in hand. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Let's start by answering the obvious question: why credit unions? Credit unions are member-owned, not-for-profit financial cooperatives, and that means instead of trying to maximize profit for shareholders like traditional banks, credit unions aim to serve their members, meaning they aim to serve you. Any profits that they make typically go back to the members in the form of better interest rates, lower fees, and more favorable loan terms. When it comes to auto loans, this difference is critical. In 2025, the average interest rate on a new car loan from a traditional bank hovers around 7 to 8% for loan terms up to 60 months, and that's if you have excellent credit. But at many credit unions, you can still find new car loan rates as low as 4 to 6%. Once again, it depends on your credit worthiness, but that difference could save you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars over the life of your loan. Then there's flexibility. Credit unions offer more lenient underwriting standards, especially for members with less than perfect credit. Credit unions are more likely to look at the full picture of your financial situation rather than just your credit score. I have an entire video that shows you how to apply for a car loan if you have bad or challenged credit, and you can follow the steps in that video if that's you. I'll link it right here. And finally, let's talk about pressure. Financing through a dealership might seem convenient, but they often mark up the rate that they get from lenders to pad their own profits. The low monthly payment that dealers advertise can be a trap if you're not careful. I always recommend asking dealers for the out-the-door price of a vehicle, not just the monthly payment. They could potentially add on thousands of dollars and just try to get you on the payment without telling you the full cost of the vehicle. And that's really what you want to focus on. With the credit union, you get a clear rate, you get fair terms, and you walk into a dealership already pre-approved for the full cost of the vehicle, so you are very much in control of the situation. And trust me, I know exactly how that feels. One of my first car buying experience was someone shotgunning my credit with over 10 hard inquiries on my credit profile and really not giving me a great opportunity to get into a good vehicle. If I had known that all it took was going to a credit union to avoid that headache, I would have definitely done it sooner. Before I reveal our top picks, it's important to talk about what makes a car loan actually great in today's economy. The first and most obvious factor is the interest rate, right? But you don't want to just chase the lowest number. You want to make sure you're comparing not just the base rate, but also look at any fees associated. Next, you want to look at loan terms. Shorter terms mean higher monthly payments, but less interest paid overall. Longer terms, of course, do equal a lower monthly cost, but you could end up upside down, owing more than what the car is actually worth if the loan stretches out for too long. A good credit union gives you the options to usually finance your car between 36 and 84 months and helps you pick what's best for your situation. You also want to pay attention to flexibility. Can you refinance with no penalty? Is there a skip a payment option if money gets tight? What about co-borrowers or co-signers? Then there's ease of application. In 2025, you shouldn't have to walk into a branch with a folder full of paperwork just to get pre-approved. The best credit unions offer online applications, instant approvals, or even the ability to sign and fund your loan online. And finally, consider extras. Some credit unions offer discounted car insurance, extended warranties, gap coverage, or even car buying services that help you find better deals. These perks shouldn't be the main reason you choose a lender, but they can be a very nice bonus. Now that you you know what you're looking for, let's finally move on to the main event. I'm going to give you the top 5 credit unions to get your auto loan in 2025. Number 5 is going to be Alliant Credit Union. They offer auto loan rates that are designed to keep your payments manageable and your total interest low. As of 2025, borrowers can expect rates starting as low as 5.34% APR for new vehicles when financing for up to 60 months. And that is at the time of recording this video. I took a screenshot directly from the website. However, you want to actually go to their website and look at the current rates. There's a link in the description if you want to check the rates right now as you're watching this video. For used vehicles, rates typically begin at 5.84% APR for similar terms. Even those looking to refinance an existing loan will find that Alliant provides competitive options, also starting around 5.84%. For older used cars, specifically between the ages of 10 to 15 years old, the rates are a little bit higher, beginning at about 8.84% APR. However, this kind of flexibility shows that Alliant will cater to a wide variety of borrowers and vehicle types. Loan terms can be extended up to 84 months, which does allow members to tailor their repayment plan to match their monthly budget. One of the best parts of borrowing from Alliant is the ability to lower the interest rate even further with a few smart moves. If you use Alliant's car buying service, which connects you to pre-negotiated prices through participating dealers, you can earn a rate discount of 0.50% off your auto loan. On top of that, setting up automatic payments from an Alliant checking account will grant you an additional 0.40% rate reduction. These discounts are stackable, meaning you can combine them to significantly lower your APR. When you apply both, you're looking at some of the lowest auto rates available from any national lender or credit union. But the perks don't stop at just interest rates. Alliant also makes the application and approval process easy and very transparent. Most applicants receive a decision on the same day they apply, making it convenient for those trying to finalize their vehicle purchase quickly. You can apply entirely online without needing to visit a branch. And if you want to get a sense of what your monthly payment might look like before you even apply, Alliant provides a loan calculator directly on their website. And if you're thinking ahead financially, there's more good news. Alliant never charges prepayment penalties. If you come into some extra cash and you want to pay off your loan early, you can do so without getting hit with any hidden fees. Alliant also shines when it comes to specialized auto financing. If you're in the market for, let's say, an electric vehicle, specifically a Tesla, Alliant has a dedicated financing program just for that. Their Tesla loan program offers competitive rates and allows for loan terms up to 84 months, making it easier for you to own one of the most in-demand electric vehicles on the road today. For members who already have a car loan through another lender, Alliant offers refinancing options that can lower your current rate and reduce your monthly payment, or both. If your credit has improved since you first financed your car, or if rates have dropped, refinancing with Alliant can be a smart financial move, and anyone can join this credit union. You can become an Alliant Credit Union Foundation Digital Inclusion Advocate and become eligible for Alliant Credit Union membership. The foundation's mission is to provide reliable digital access resources to underserved communities, including rural and digitally challenged populations. The foundation awards grants for educational digital inclusion efforts nationwide. Alliant Credit Union will make a one-time $5 contribution to the foundation on your behalf. So with that said, if you're interested in applying for an auto loan with Alliant, highly recommend you check the description below, click on the link, and see what the current rates are going for today. Number 4 on our list is Lanley Federal Credit Union, and Lanley offers some of the most competitive auto rates in the industry currently at this time. For new and used car purchases, rates start as low as 4.99% APR for terms up to 60 months. Longer terms are available, but the rates will be a little higher. You'll have rates of 5.24% APR for 61 to 66 months, 5.4% APR for 67 to 75 months, and 6.49% APR for 76 to 84 months. One of the most standout features is Lanley's financing flexibility. They provide 100% financing for qualified buyers, allowing you to cover the vehicle's cost without any down payment. Lanley enhances your auto loan experience with several exclusive benefits. You can enjoy a 60-day payment deferral, giving you time to settle into your new vehicle before starting repayments. You also have free gap coverage. Every Lanley auto loan includes complimentary guaranteed asset protection coverage, protecting you if your vehicle is totaled or stolen. Applying for a loan with Lanley is straightforward. You can get pre-approved online, calculate your monthly payments using the loan calculator, and even sign documents digitally. Once approved, Lanley sends the funds directly to the dealership or the seller, and this streamlines the entire process. If you're looking to refinance an existing auto loan, Lanley provides rates starting at 4.99% APR with the same 60-day payment deferral and the free gap coverage. Lanley's car buying services helps you find the right vehicle, offering a seamless experience from your search to purchase. To become a member of Lanley Federal Credit Union, you'll need to make a $5 deposit into a savings account. Additionally, you'll need to provide your social security number, your proof of address, your name, and your birth date. You can apply for membership either online or by visiting one of their branches. So to summarize everything, Lanley Federal Credit Union offers a comprehensive auto loan program in 2025 featuring low rates, flexible financing options, and valuable member benefits. Whether you're purchasing a new vehicle or a used vehicle or refinancing an existing loan, Lanley provides you the tools and services designed to make your car buying experience seamless and affordable. So if you're considering financing your next vehicle and you want to check out Lanley, the link is in the description for your current rates today. Number 3 on our list is going to be Navy Federal Credit Union. Now, Navy Federal offers competitive auto loan options tailored for military members, veterans, and their families. Navy Federal provides attractive rates for both new and used vehicles. You can get rates as low as 4.09% APR up to 36 months. If you have terms between 37 and 60 months, your rates can be as low as 4.49% APR. If you're looking at 61 to 72 months, you'll be looking at 4.79% APR. From 73 to 84 months, 6.69% APR. And from 85 to 96 months, 7.59% APR. Now that will be for new vehicles. If you're looking at used vehicles for up to 36 months, you'll be looking at 4.99% APR. From 37 to 60 months, 5.49% APR. 61 to 72 months, you're looking at 5.59% APR. If you're looking at 73 to 96 months, they are not disclosing what the APR will be. It's going to be subject to their approval and their underwriting criteria. So unfortunately, if it's going to be longer for a used vehicle, you'll have to just apply and see what rates you're offered. Members can qualify for a 0.25% APR discount if they are active duty or retired military personnel. Additionally, Navy Federal offers financing up to 125% of the vehicle's value, allowing you to include taxes, tags, and other fees in your loan. If you're looking to refinance an existing auto loan, Navy Federal provides options with rates as low as 4.09% APR for a new vehicle. Refinancing can help you lower your monthly payments or reduce your interest. Personally, I've done this myself. I have an entire video that you can watch on my refinancing experience for an auto loan with Navy Federal. I've also had 3 total auto loans with Navy Federal, so my experience has been very good with each loan that I've had. Navy Federal Credit Union auto loans offer competitive rates, flexible terms, and exclusive benefits for military members and their families. So if you're in the market for a vehicle in 2025, consider exploring their offerings to find a financing option that might suit your needs. And once again, the link will be in the description for you to see the current rates at this time. PenFed offers some of the most competitive auto loan rates in the industry. For a new car purchase, rates start as low as 3.79% APR when you utilize their car buying service powered by TrueCar. PenFed's car buying service in partnership with TrueCar simplifies the car buying process. Members can search for in-stock inventory, receive upfront pricing from local dealers, and access exclusive cash incentives. For instance, you can save up to $4,500 on select Mercedes-Benz vehicles or up to $1,000 on brands like Jeep, Ram, and Chrysler. Additionally, members who use this service may qualify for a 0.25% to 0.80% APR discount on their auto loan, depending on the loan term that you select. But even without that service, rates remain pretty attractive, starting at 4.59% APR for new vehicles. Used car loans are also available with rates beginning at 4.64% APR. One of the standout features is PenFed's financing flexibility. They offer up to 125% financing, allowing you to cover the vehicle's costs plus any additional expenses like the taxes, tags, extended warranties. And this is particularly beneficial if you're looking to minimize any upfront cost. PenFed also offers loan terms that range from 36 to 84 months, providing flexibility to choose repayment plans that fit your budget. Loan amounts can also go up to $150,000, accommodating a wide range of vehicle purchases. To qualify, applicants typically need to have credit history of 24 months and a maximum debt-to-income ratio of 20%. While PenFed doesn't disclose a specific minimum credit score, they consider the overall financial picture during the application process. Beyond competitive rates, PenFed offers several benefits to enhance your auto loan experience. You can also pre-qualify for PenFed's auto loan without affecting your credit score, making it much easier to explore your options. I have an entire video that takes you step by step on how to get approved for a PenFed auto loan. I highly recommend that you watch that video. There's also auto deductible reimbursement, where members can receive up to $500 twice a year to cover insurance deductibles in the event of a claim, providing some added peace of mind. You also have extended warranty and gap coverage to protect your investment with additional coverage options that can be financed into your loan. So in summary, PenFed Credit Union offers a comprehensive auto loan program in 2025. You get very low rates, flexible financing options, and valuable member benefits. So whether you're purchasing a new or a used vehicle or even refinancing your existing loan, PenFed does provide some tools and services that are designed to make the car buying experience seamless and affordable. Also, anyone can join this credit union. So if you're considering financing your next vehicle with PenFed, check down in the description to check out the latest rates at this time. Number one on our list is Consumers Credit Union, or CCU. They offer competitive auto loan rates starting as low as 3.99% APR when you use their car buying service. CCU's car buying service, powered by TrueCar, not only helps you find the right car, but also offers a 0.50% rate discount when you finance through them. This service simplifies the car buying process and ensures that you're getting a fair deal. Even without this service, rates begin at 4.49% APR. They provide 100% financing for qualified buyers, making it much easier to get the vehicle of your choice. Applying for a loan with CCU is straightforward. You can get pre-approved online, calculate monthly payments by using their loan calculator, and even sign documents online. Once you're approved, CCU will send the funds directly to the dealership or the seller. Now, the minimum credit score that I've been seeing has been around 620. Anyone can join Consumer Credit Union and apply for a free rewards checking account. So if you're interested in becoming a member of Consumers Credit Union, you need to join the Consumer Cooperative Association and then open a membership share and savings account with a minimum deposit of $5, which is a one-time non-refundable fee that is required to join. And once you're a member, you can go ahead and apply for this auto loan. So if you want more information about this, please check the description and see the current rates. But this is going to be the lowest APR that you can possibly find with the credit union in 2025. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have any questions about any of these credit unions, please drop that in the comments below. If you've had a vehicle through any of these credit unions, please let me know your experience. I would love to hear about what happened, and I would love to hear about the interest rates that you were provided at this time. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video, and you guys have a wonderful day.